everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your support ID on Pokemon TCG Pocket. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who play Pokemon TCG Pocket. How do you actually get your support ID? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, we're going to open up the Pokemon TCG Pocket game. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you're going to click on those three lines. And then from here, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see your support ID with an icon that looks like a copy icon. So go ahead and click on that copy icon. And then you'll see a confirmation that your support ID has been copied. So if I click it once more, you'll see that the support ID has been copied. So you can go ahead and send this over to support as far as them helping you out with whatever issue that you have. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and grab your support ID for support purposes. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.